to the mix, lovely and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is out and she is saying that a blogger is announcing that she has pictures of her from Marcia's man. And basically, Marcia is saying that she is barging up the laundry and she needs to stop. She's saying also that this blogger is saying that it's more than one man that Marcia has. And she's saying that that is not true and the blogger should stop. She's saying that the blogger is speaking up a whole lot of stuff about her and she would like her to stop. So guys, go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their beautiful birthday today, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. And for all my other lovely supporters out there, I wish you a happy day today. And remember, guys, to keep that beautiful smile on your face that no one is able to see. Have a great one.
From whatever within my bank account. So if me can make back one look at $150 over, so me I make it. Uno da come over here can intimidate me. Time junk time the fool. Uno come over here can run my page and make me come a cuss up a bad word. No. And then Una make all the money and me not get none. Go away from here, so. It now can work. The camera shows up big. Everybody will meet me in a person knows I'm not so big. Any supporters that I have can tell you. This is a 3D camera. You put your way up, me there right in front of the camera. My man love me just like that. My man love me just like that. And me love myself. Me not even put Jesus in the car. Jesus died for me. So we now put Jesus next to equation now. So my man love me. You don't have to love me coming there with the man. Same love all of this a bigness here. All of it. All of this a bigness same love. So you don't need to worry about it coming and loss off of you. So don't worry how big me is. And how big me is not. You have to go sit down and move over here, so. That don't have nothing to do with me. Me can't bother with idiot people. Just start see these here though. So it make no sense you come over here, so, and I run up a 14. You couldn't wait for me to wait for me. It's like wait for your lifeline. You look like you run out of oxygen. So you could even wait until me come. For you come and make comment. What happened? The somebody where you come here and take up for. She never gain oxygen this morning. For breathe life in you. So look how you just run for my page. Me not even come on 5 minutes before you dash and come over here. And I write up on my page. Eh? You know say you're a baboon. Huh? Yeah, idiot. What's going on, people? What's going on? Marcia ever blessings in the house. The reality show of Marcia life. Yes, my dear. The queen of entertainment, the queen of content, the realist out here. When a girl can't test boy and a boy. If them forget cussing, we cuss them. We say what we have to say and keep it moving. Yes. I've got to pick up some boxes right now. I'm going to ship off some things. Yes, that is it. We don't have no time for haters. Una been scraping from me for a long time. Well, me a scrape too. Una been scraping from me a long time. Me a scrape too. Una can't take my money. Then it's a Tom, junk Tom, no fool. If me can't get to know, if you carry a court, might as well me get the restitution from uno. That's right. Uno keep it up. I'm over here, so. It's easier to use my content over here. So me can strike uno better. I don't have to go over YouTube or fill out YouTube, nothing. So keep it up. Keep it up and keep it up. Keep it up. Una might can't see una favorite people. I want to me I tell you one landlord Erica you. You can't call me any name and say anything. Don't call me no whore. Don't mix me up in a fair category. Me heard it on your page I talk about say I have photo of 2 different men. And me walk by road, I pick up man, and me and a man different. You have pictures with different man in a park. And me have man, me see a man where me have in a park. You can't call me, don't mix me up with you. A company I look. A company you looking. Me can't bet you $100. You don't have no picture with me in a park with no different man. One man me a date in Hartford. One man. And the man when me go to park with. You can't come, you don't have no pictures. You don't have no pictures with me and any other man in Hartford, Connecticut. When me go to park with or when me go out with or when me go to party with. Any man when me go to park with, any man when me go out with, and any man when me pick up in my vehicle, the same man. So you dash it out, let me see. So when you attack, make sure you get the story straight. Because I am not a whore like you. Don't you retire? Me never be a whore, so me can't be a whore now. So if me never be a whore in my 20s and 30s, or me I could be a whore in my 50s. Eh? You think me have time for God? You think when you're a whore, you have to do whole heap of work. You have to sucky, you have to licky, you have to make man pissy pan you have to make man shit in your mouth, you have to make man do all kind of something, not me. Look at me. You understand? You okay? There is not enough money in this world to pay me for this crutcher. This crutch must be earned by love. It must be earned by love and affection. So you try your best when you over there talk about me, you try your best to put your argument correct. You understand? Anyone who know woman out there who are go sell on the front to people. This front here is not for sale. This front here is for relationship. Good up relationship. Where you and a man in a courtship, I want to talk, I want to date, I want to go out. Me don't know where you sit down over your page and talk about me for. Go talk to the rest of women them way in America and Jamaica who have poor man to talk to. You can't afford the chain when you have running neck. Or whoever I'm have running neck or whoever not have running neck. You see people, you don't know what people look like and what people look at. You deal with, you know how much chain costs around people's neck? Eh? Do you know? You don't know nothing. Me don't know why you involved in my life. Me warn you already, you know. I warn you already. I want to see you dash out any farmer picture out there. I am telling you. And this is a promise to you. And I want to see you just see me with any man outside of me out there. Me want to see you dash it out on social media. And see which God you serve. I want you to see me and any man where you see me out there. And this is a message to deliver to you. Any man where you see me out there and you dash out picture on social media, remember say you come on social media sweating like a hog. Me I tell you that straight up. You come on social media sweating like a hog and your page will be taken down. When I don't strike out your backside, you're going to start all from scratch. And this is a promise to you. This is a promise. When I don't strike you, unless you could take down them video, because me already don't cut out the part them already. Me already don't cut out the part them already. Marcia don't for run YouTube, you know. Me not have to delete video. Me not have to delete video, you know. Me already cut out all the parts them already. Where you have. And you pass more than enough to mess with my contents. Called infringement. You already passed enough. So if you want to get a strike on their backside and you think that me can't strike you, go and play with my relationship. And go and play with man and dig up man not. I'm telling you straight up. You will be coming on this page and you're going to lose your channel again and you're going to start all over. Me not ask you. And this is a warning to you. You will lose. If you see me and you have my private life, anybody out there and see me and take pictures with me and my relationship and send it come give you and you post it. Remember, are you going to face the consequence? Not me. And me can tell us and me can tell you. Me can tell you, say, you don't have no pictures of me on a park with a different man. I know different man. You're bright and out of order. Black about something else. You're bright and out of order. Don't take a liberty with me. You understand? Don't take a liberty with me. You understand? Go on about your business and blog and do what you have to do and whatever. Leave people man alone. Leave people man alone. It's not your man. Me not take none on a Facebook man, so you shouldn't have no problem. And let me make it clear. And as I said it before for years from my social media, if you don't have a ring on your finger, anyone I want a woman out there, I want to do have a ring on a finger and a phone man. When I could have lived with him for 30 years under the law of Jesus Christ, you must be married. You must be married and go in a church. And any man out there and you ain't single and you ain't married and you come up and call to me and me like you, you like me, I date you. It's simple as that. No hesitations. Once you're married, I'm off limit. But you see, if you're not married and you come check the I and me like you and you like me, mark my 10. Me I date you. Me no response. And a woman can't call me. Put your man in check. You understand? Put your man in check. If them never like this pussy, they want to come back and talk to me. If they never like what them see, they want to come back. So you see anyone I want a woman out there or not having a man, tell the man them say when they simple road don't call to me. Because as long as them say them not married and me single and me can't date them, I date them. You understand? So let me make it clear. So no bother come with the bullshit. So you try your best and go on about your business and leave my private life alone. Because the investigation and the type and the rolling where you depend, I am telling you. I'm telling you. You bark up the wrong tree. And that ain't no joke. You are barking up the wrong tree, honey. And this ain't no freaking joke. Me not ask you. You are barking up the wrong tree. And everybody on social media know what you're doing is wrong. I'm encouraging you. Everybody know what you're doing is wrong. I try to find people picture on social media if you go take up your picture. Everybody knows. So if they want to encourage you, well, you have to go take what the goose get. It's just simple as that. It's just simple as that, honey child. It's just simple as that. I remember I got to cancel 1111. Yeah.
To do is I'm gonna go over there, check it, all that extra stuff, and then I will cancel it out for today.
Yes.
So it's all good so far?
I'm good. I just have the box. Remember, you guys tell me that if you're here, you can open the garbage. So I put the garbage in there,
Okay.
the empty box that I have.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Yeah, so I just need to take out like I have some box, so that's it.
Got you. How long are you gonna be here today for?
Maybe that's what I came to do this.
Oh, just that?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna come back later. I just need to get some boxes to go ship some stuff.
Got you. So if you want me to, I can unlock it for you now, and then you.
No. Yeah, just get to charge me.
No, but I need. No. So you're off of Easy Pay. There's no Easy Pay whatsoever. So if I cancel it today, I'm just gonna remove all the due stuff. So
What due stuff?
So if it, because you know how you would normally pay on the 6th of every month.
Come open it. Yeah.
Let me just lock up real quick. Okay?
Yeah, I'll be here for like. No, so I just go and get the stuff out, like what I have. But I need to go in the garbage. Where's the garbage located?
So if you go around this way, wait, because you're gonna go from your unit, right?
No, what I'm gonna do. Remember, you guys lock it already.
Okay.
You don't lock the garbage van?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have to unlock it for you.
Yeah. So where do you? I'm gonna like put it in my car, and then drive around.
Okay. So
I think it's much easier that way.
Yeah, if you go through the gate, the building's gonna stay on your right hand side. You go all the way around the building. And you're gonna see the garbage can eventually.
Okay. Yeah. So let me remove these boxes out there.
Got you.
Okay. Listen to me. When you come and talk about me look big in a car, me not look big in a, it's just because I'm in the Facebook camera. See me out of the car there and see me here. See me out of the car and see me there. Don't compare dolphin to whale. You understand? When it comes to me, do not compare me to dolphin to whale. Okay. All right. Do not compare dolphin to whale. It's Facebook 3D camera. So don't compare dolphin to whale when it comes to Facebook. You understand? All right. All right then. You understand? You bright yourself. Marcia look good for your fluffy girl. My proportion in all the right places. The body might not cock out, but me have it. Me solid as a rock. You understand? So when you come and talk about me, I talk about people. Me sure no say. Me sure no say me solid. Look at my hand them. Look at my chest. And look at my face. And look at my neck. Don't bright yourself. Don't bright yourself with me. Don't bright yourself with me. Out of order. Son love to come over control people. You understand? Don't trouble me.
Just drop it off by the garbage can. I gotta go home and grab the keys.
Okay. Right. You gotta go home?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just leave it there. Okay. Okay. We have some stuff. We have this pillow and the pillow get dirty. I mean, I can't go wash it. I love the little pillow there, you know. But something. Yeah, don't bright up yourself with me. Bright and out of order. You don't want to cover control there, and I. Don't try it. Don't try it, honey. Look at my good suitcase and his zip spoil. I'm going to forget them empty box, yeah. Yeah, so how is everybody doing this hour afternoon? Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. Me have my box them now. Me have. I wonder if this now. Yeah, so come and get to the sheets, people. Remember we have something there. I wonder if this can hold. Yes. Can't hold. When I want to come on social media, contact people. The amount of know that we are take people, man. What me couldn't go search? What me couldn't go search to go find out how other people man they on social? Why are you so fascinated with my man? Eh? Look how much blogger out there. Go search for them now. I'm me alone and I'm salt. Eh? How you so fascinated with my man? Eh? Look how much view she get when she put up and say she have Marcia man. Eh? Wow, how you so fascinated? Eh? Wanna see? Me want to know if you not see tree growing on my face. Where you want to take? Eh? What do you want to take? Lazy? Eh? That's what I want to take? No, I'm not going to away, honey child. Never. God forbid. You understand? Nobody with it. What do you take this thing for? Eh? Look how much view she get. She don't get them the start of view there unless until she call me name. And true she did it, she get the whole part view them with my name now. She takes set for me. Watch yourself. Watch your damn self. And go look after yourself. Eh? Just because you did it, get view. Look how much view you get from the video. Fear tell lie. Eh? False information. Eh? And you did it and describe people. You don't know people. But you call them broke pocket. You call how much them pay for them something from how much you don't pay for them something. You can afford it. Eh? People are pass and you are cost people. And you don't know how much people pay for them things. But you did it, I tell